Hello everyone, I am Usharani. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to explain about that mensuration chapter. In this chapter, we will discuss about the concept and what are the important formulas of three-dimensional figures. Those we will discuss. So, without late, let's start the video. So, what is mensuration? Mensuration is a branch of mathematics which deals with measuring geometrical figures, especially measuring a length, area, perimeter, surface areas and volume for 2D and 3D figures. So what are 2D figures and what are 3D figures? 2D is nothing but two-dimensional figures. 3D figures are nothing but three-dimensional figures. What are dimensions? So 2D examples, 2D figures examples in this rectangle and square. What are the examples of two-dimensional figures? 2D figures means two-dimensional figures. 2D figures examples are rectangle and square. What are the dimensions? Length and breadth. Here also length and breadth. In this chapter, we will discuss about three-dimensional figures. So, what are 3D figures are nothing but three-dimensional figures. And examples of three-dimensional figures are cuboid, cube, sphere, cone, cylinder, sphere and hemisphere also. These two are interrelated due to that written here. So, cuboid, cube, sphere, hemisphere, cone and cylinder are the three-dimensional figures. What are three dimensions here? Three dimensions are length, breadth and height. For example, here, this is the cuboid figure. This is the cuboid. So, what are the dimensions? Length, breadth and this one is height. These three are the dimensions of three-dimensional or 3D figures. Now, one by one we will discuss and what are the important formulas of those we will discuss now. Now, in this first one is a cuboid. Here, cuboid figure is this one. This is the cuboid. Best example of cuboid. This is also cuboid. Book also you can take, or matchbox, or paste box, toothpaste is there, no, Colgate, that box. Those are all we can consider, those are all the cuboids. See now, this is a rectangular shape. Cuboid means on the rectangle only we can construct. For example, this is rectangle, one more rectangle, just you should draw, join, these are all edges. This is cuboid. So, here length, breadth and straight one is height. These three are the dimensions. Now, this is the cuboid. For example, just you have to assume that this is cuboid. Now, in this one is length and this one is a breadth and straight this one, this width is nothing but height. This width is nothing but height. In two-dimensional figures, only one side only we can consider rectangular shape. This is the two-dimensional figure. Why? Because two-dimensional length and breadth. But three-dimensional means you will get face. In this, you will get some space inside. Length, breadth and height. That means width also you will get in this. For example, here, this is cuboid. In this is cuboid shape box. In this length, breadth and height. Suppose one box is there, inside some sticks or anything we can keep it here. Okay, so earbuds are there actually. So anything you can arrange it in this. So but how much space is there inside? If we know, then we can calculate and we can keep it. How many number of sticks we can place it here, then we can understand. This is the space. That means how much space is there, that is nothing but height. So, now in this for three-dimensional figures, we can find out here lateral surface area LSA is nothing but lateral surface area. Lateral surface area, or this we call it as LSA. For suppose cylinder is there, curved surface of the figure is there, then we call it as curved surface area, that is CSA. LSA or CSA. LSA is used for flat surface figures. So lateral surface area. What is that lateral surface area? Here how many sides are there? See how many faces you can see. One side, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides only we can see. Now these sum of these 4 sides areas is nothing but lateral surface area. How can you remember? See now. Here this is first one side. This is rectangular shape. This is L and this width is nothing but height. What is the area of the rectangle formula? L into B. Here B is height. So LH plus 1 this one. And this side also same, no? 2 LH you can write. Plus and one side, another side is this one. Here this is B, that means breadth, and this is height. That means 2BH. Why? Because this side and this side, these two sides are equal. As well as these two sides are same, equal you will get. These two areas are equal, as well as these two areas are also equal. So 2LH plus 2BH. In both the terms, 2 and H you can take it as common. Why? Because 2H is there in both the terms. So you can take it as 2H as a common. Remaining term is L and in this is B. So 2H into L plus B is the formula. This is lateral surface area. Suppose if you forget this formula, then easily you can, if you know this basic, then easily you can find out this formula. So always you should know about the basic concept of anything. Learn the concepts. So lateral surface area is nothing but sum of all sides areas, or sum of areas of all sides, anyone. So 2H into L plus B is the formula of lateral surface area of the cuboid. Like that, next one is total surface area. Total surface area. Where total surface area means TSA. Starting letters you consider TSA is nothing but total surface area. How many surfaces it has? Cuboid has how many surfaces? 6 surfaces. Why? Because 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, as well as up and down. So total 6 sides. So 6 sides areas you should add. 4 sides areas already we know. Just here you write 2LH plus 2BH. Don't take it as common first. Later, next one, these up and down areas also you should add. So this is a rectangular shape. So this is a rectangular shape. This is length and this is breadth. So 2 into L into B. Why? Because up and down are same. So areas are also same. This is a rectangular shape. So formula is area of the rectangle equal to 2 into L into B. L into B means here L and this one is B. So both sides are there. Up and down areas are same. Both are rectangular shape. Due to that 2LB I have written here. Now here in 3 terms, which is common? Just is 2 is there in all the 3 terms. So 2 you have to take it as common, and here L, here not there, here not there. So only 2 only you can take it as common. Remaining all just you have to write in the order. LB plus BH plus HL. This is the formula. So 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is the formula. That is the formula of total surface area of the cuboid. Is it clear? Next, volume of the cuboid. What is that volume of the cuboid? Volume is nothing but base area into height. What is that? Volume is nothing but here 3 dimensions will be multiplied. So that is its base surface area multiplication of height. Where base is in the rectangle shape. So the formula of the rectangle here, area of the rectangle equal to L into B multiplication of height, where height is H. So this can be written as LBH. Simply you can remember base area into volume. Base area into height. This is the basic concept. What is that volume formula? LBH is a formula. You have to by heart as well as you have to learn the concept. If you know the concept, then easily you can write and you can remember the formulas. So LS have the cuboid equal to 2H into L plus B, and total surface area of the cuboid equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, as well as volume of the cuboid equal to LBH. This is the formula. Next one is cube. Second figure is cube. So what is cube? Just you see here. Like this, you should draw the figure. So cube, examples of cube are, best examples of cube are, children all are playing that cubes are colors, you are arranging 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4 cube, no? That cube. Or example of cube, ice cube, that is also cube. Cube means on the square you can construct, this is the square, just, and one more square you can draw like this and add all the corners. Is it easy to draw? Yes. What are dimensions here? Same, L, B and H. Always width is height. So L, B, H are the dimensions of the cube. Now same in this, you have to find out 3 formulas. You have to write down. Those 3 are here, L, B and H. Again lateral surface area, total surface area and volume of the cube. So LSA, that means lateral surface area. What is that lateral surface area? Suppose if all sides are equal here, suppose like this, cube means square, all sides are looking like a square only. So how many sides it has? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. That is nothing but lateral surface area. For the cube, each face is looking like square only. So area of the square equal, what is the formula? A square. How many sides it has? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Lateral surface area means 4 A square. These 4 areas you have to add. A square plus A square plus A square, 4 sides. A square plus A square plus A square plus A square. That equal to 4A square is the formula. Next, TSA means total surface area. What is the total surface area? These 4 sides as well as up and down also you should add. And in this one thing you have to remember, cube you can construct on the square, cuboid means you can construct on the rectangle. So on the cube all sides are looking like square only. All sides are squares only. Up and down also square shape only. So 6 faces areas are 6A square. Why? Because each face area is equal to A square. Why? Because that is square, that each face is or each side is the square shaped figure. So area of the square equal to A square. Total surface area, it has 6 faces. So 6 into A square equal to 6A square is the formula. Now volume. Volume of the figure, any of the volume equal to, basic concept is volume is nothing but 3 dimensions will be multiplied. Area means 2 dimensions will be multiplied. Length into breadth. Length is length units as well as breadth units. Suppose both are in meters, then you will get meter square, or square units, square meters. That means area always you will get 2 dimensions will be multiplied. The unit of square is, that is square units. As well as volume means 3 dimensions will be multiplied. So volume equal to base area into height. Basic concept is base area into height. Now here base area equal to how much? A square. Multiplication of height, where height equal to here, that is also, height is also, that value is also side value A. So formula is A cube is the formula. volume of the cube equal to A cube. Is it clear? Can you remember easily? Right. Next figure. Next figure is regular circular cylinder. This is regular circular cylinder. Up and bottom both are circular shape and both sizes are same. And this one is cylinder. Best example of the cylinder is this one. See now, is it cylindrical shape? Yes. This is a curved surface, curved shaped figure. So for like these type of figures, we have to find out that curved surface area. That is nothing but a lateral surface area for the flat surface figures. So we call it as that is LSA or CSA of the figures. CSA is used for curved surface figures and LSA is used for flat surface figures. So this is the cylinder. So for cylinder, we have to find out that CSA, that is curved surface area, total surface area and volume of the cylinder. Where curved surface area, how can you find out? This suppose this is the one paper, rectangular shaped paper. Whenever if you fold it like this, is it cylindrical shape? Yes or not? Yes. Now whenever if you cut it, just whenever it is opened like this is a rectangular shaped figure. So this is rectangle. This entire area is nothing but that is the curved surface area of the figure. This entire area is nothing but rectangular surface area. What is that rectangle area? L into B is the formula. Where length equal to what is that length of this one? That is the entire perimeter of the circle, that is 2 pi r, and here breadth is height. So 2 pi r into h, where L equal to 2 pi r into breadth equal to height. 2 pi r h is the formula, that is curved surface area of the cylinder. What is total surface area? Total surface area means this curved surface area, that means 2 pi r h plus up and bottom, both areas also you should add. Both are in circular shape. So area of the circle equal to pi r square, and here two shapes are there. So 2 pi r square. Pi r square plus pi r square, that equal to 2 pi r square. That means 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Now in both the terms, 2 you can take it as common. Pi is also common. R also is there here in both terms. So you can take it as 2 pi r as common. And remaining terms are here h plus here 1 r. Formula is 2 pi r into r plus h is the formula. This is the basic concept. This is the basic trick and basic concept. So next one is volume. Volume basic concept is base area into height. So where base area, what is the base area? Circle area, that equal to pi r square into height. So pi r square h is the formula of that volume of the cylinder. Next figure is a cone. Best examples of cone are ice cream cone, mehendi cone, birthday caps. These are all cone shaped figures. This is cone shaped figure. In this, from here to here, this is the radius of the figure. This is the bottom is circular shaped figure. So from here to here, that is radius of the circle, and midpoint to here, that is height of the figure. And this line that we call it, this slant line we call it as length. So this slant height, how can you find out? This L we call it as slant height. That how can you find out means, just you have to consider this figure. That if you observe that figure, that is a right angle triangle. So whenever it is right angle triangle, then we know one of the formula. How can you find out the lengths or sides of the figure means? By using that Pythagoras theorem. What is that Pythagoras theorem? This hypotenuse square equal to square r. This hypotenuse equal to square root of sum of the squares of other two sides. That means L equal to square root of r square plus h square. This is the formula of slant height. This you have to remember. Next, curved surface area, or LSA or CSA, both are same. Curved surface area of the figure equal to pi r L. This is the formula. This you have to remember. Next, total surface area. Total surface area means this curved surface area and the bottom area also it will add. This bottom is circular shape. So pi r L plus pi r square. Why? Because circle area of the circle equal to pi r square. Both you should add. In this pi and r, we can take it as common, and remaining is L plus r. So pi r into L plus r plus L. Anyone you can consider. And volume of the figure, volume of the cone equal to, that is 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. We know that these two are interrelated. This is the cylinder. In this 1/3 part is, that is the cone. Suppose for example, if you take it like this, how many cones it have? 1, 2, 3. So 1/3 part. Volume of the cylinder equal to pi r square h. So 1/3 into pi r square h is the formula of volume of the cone. Next one is here sphere, and last one is hemisphere. Sphere and hemisphere are interrelated. Here these two you have to consider. Like that, cuboid and cube, one pair. Next one is cylinder and cone. Both are interrelated. Like this, these two are related. Sphere and hemisphere. Sphere examples are ball, globe. These are all sphere examples. In this CSA of the figure, or TSA, or total surface area of the sphere equal to 4 pi r square. No upside and bottom sides, all sides are same. So here both total surface area and curved surface areas are same. The value equal to 4 pi r square. Next one in this, right prism, and next one is right pyramid. Prism and pyramid. Here this is the prism shape. See now, this is prism, and pyramid means from all edges to join at one point. This is cone shape. See now, here suppose if you observe these faces are rectangular shaped faces. So this is the difference between the right prism and right pyramid. Now here lateral surface area, how can you find out? Means this perimeter of the base into height, that is nothing but the lateral surface area. Base is in which shape? That perimeter and multiplication of height. Next, total surface area, that is this lateral surface area plus 2 end faces area, that is 2 into area of end surface, that is in which shape? Rectangle shape or which shape? That area 2, you have 2 multiplication of these two areas. So LSA plus 2 into area of end surface. Next one, volume. Volume equal area of the base into height. This is the basic concept. Base is in which shape? That area multiplication of height. So next one is a pyramid. Pyramid is, suppose here base is circular shaped pyramid. See here, this is the height from midpoint to here. This is the height, and this slant line we call it as slant height. Now here LSA equal to lateral surface area equal to half into perimeter of the base multiplication of slant height. This you have to remember. Next, TSA, total surface area equal to lateral surface area plus area of the base. Why? Because here one base area, here area of the base means base only one shape, no other face. See here base is in square shape, so that surface area, that area is also you should add. What is the lateral surface area plus area of the base or base area. And here volume equal to 1/3 area of the base into height. 1/3 area of this one base and multiplication of height. This is the volume of the pyramid. Is it clear? If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you like this video, it will reach more people. So, I think, hope you understand each and everything. Thank you all. Once again, thank you. Thank you all. Once again, thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you like this channel, it will reach more people. Okay. So, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section.